In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add motion blur on CapCut PC. Motion blur is a fantastic effect that can bring a cinematic and professional feel to your video projects. It helps smooth out fast movements, making them look more natural and dynamic. Whether you're editing an action-packed scene or just want to add a touch of finesse to your footage, motion blur is a tool you'll want to master. And with CapCut's intuitive interface, applying this effect is simpler than you might think. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, launch CapCut on your PC. If you don't already have it installed, you can download it from the official website. Once the application is open, go ahead and start a new project. This will create a blank workspace where you can begin editing your video. Next, click the Import button, which you'll find on the main interface. This allows you to browse your computer and select the video file you want to edit. After choosing your file, it will appear in the media library on the left side of the screen. Now, drag that video from the media library and drop it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This step ensures your video is ready for editing and positions it where you can make adjustments. Now, let's move on to selecting the clip you want to apply motion blur to. If your project has multiple clips, make sure you highlight the specific one where you want the effect to appear. Keep in mind that motion blur will only be applied to the currently selected clip, so this step is critical to targeting the right part of your video. With your clip selected, look over to the right side of your screen where you'll find the editing panel. Within this panel, click on the Basic tab. This tab contains general adjustment options that we'll use to modify the motion blur effect. If you don't immediately see the options you're looking for, just scroll down until you find them. Sometimes, the layout might vary slightly depending on your version of CapCut, so don't worry if it's not in the exact same location every time. Now, locate the motion blur section in the Basic tab. Once you've found it, toggle the motion blur switch to the on position. This activates the effect and allows you to start fine-tuning it to match your video. You'll notice several sliders here that let you control different aspects of the motion blur. First, adjust the blur slider. This determines the intensity of the effect. If you're aiming for a subtle look, keep the value low, but for a more dramatic, cinematic feel, increase it. Experiment to find the right balance for your footage. Next, move on to the blend slider. This setting controls how naturally the blur merges with the rest of your video. A gentle blend will create a more seamless and polished effect, while a harder blend can add a sharper, more pronounced look. Think about the mood or style you're aiming for as you make this adjustment. After that, adjust the direction slider. This is where you align the blur effect to match the angle of movement in your footage. For example, if your subject is moving horizontally, set the direction slider accordingly. Properly aligning the direction enhances the realism of the effect and ensures it looks intentional. Finally, tweak the speed slider. This controls how quickly the blur effect plays out. Faster scenes like high-energy action shots may require a higher speed setting, while slower, more deliberate movements benefit from a lower speed. Take a moment to think about the pacing of your clip and adjust the slider to complement it. Once you've adjusted all the settings, preview your clip by pressing play. This allows you to see how the motion blur looks in real time. If something feels off, don't worry. Pause the playback and make further adjustments to any of the sliders until you're satisfied with the result. Sometimes even small tweaks can make a big difference in achieving the perfect look. When you're happy with the motion blur effect, it's time to save your work. Click the Export button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the interface. Choose your preferred export settings, such as resolution and file format, and confirm your choices. Keep in mind that the export time may vary depending on your computer's performance and the length of your video. Once the export process is complete, your motion blurred masterpiece will be ready to share. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.